Good morning students, welcome to the online classes, Deeparmat Secondary School, myself Harpreet Kaur, your maths teacher. We have done exercise 1A of chapter number 1. Now today we will start exercise 1B of the same chapter. Okay, here there are questions of estimation. I hope you know the rules of estimations and you have watched the video very carefully. So let us start with question number 1. You have to round off the numbers to the nearest 10. Okay, so there are 6 parts. I'm going to do any 2, that is A and E. Rest of the parts you have to do and you have to practice in your rough notebook. Now it's the second one, exercise 1B, question number 1. Round off the digit, that is the first one, 2, 7, 8, 6, 3, 9 to the nearest 10. Now how do we round off to the nearest 10? Ones tens, this is tens, but we don't have to look for this tens, we have to look for the number which is on the right side. Okay, once tens is there, you have to look for the right side, that is 9. So when you round off this, what you will get? 9 is greater than 5, so 1 will be added to this, it will become 4 and it will become 0. 2, 7, 8, 6, 4, 0. This is the number. Now come to E part, 1, 7, 3, 9, 5, 2, 4, 6. You again have to round up to nearest 10, ones tens. But we don't have to look for this one. We have to look for the number on the right side, 6. And 6 is greater than 5. So 1 will be added to this and it will become 0. So what it will be? 1, 7, 3, 9, 5, 2, 5, 0. This is the number. Okay. Again for the second question, round off to the nearest 100. You have to round off to the nearest 100. So here again there are 6 parts. I am doing B and F part. So look for the B part. What is B? It is 800,251. But here you have to round off to nearest 100. Ones tens 100. But we don't have to look for 100. We have to look for the number on the right side. Now 5 is greater than, or we have studied in the rule na, if it is 5 or greater than 5 we will add. So it is 5, so definitely we will add 1 to this one, it will become 3. 800,300. This is the number after rounding off. Now F, what is F? 290,13,894. 1 stands 100, we have to look for the number on the right one, that is 9. Again 9 is greater than 5, add 1 here, it become 9. 290,13,900. So this is the answer. So moving on to the next question number 3. In question number 3 you have to round off to the nearest 1000. Here I will be doing A and E part. Rest of the question just practice in your rough notebook. It is A. It is 130,942. You have to round up to the nearest 1000. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. Now look for the number on the right side, that is 9. Now after rounding off, 9 is greater than 5. So 1 has to be added to 1. What it will be? It will be 1. 131,000. This is after rounding off. Now come to the next E part, that is 482,73,156. Again to the nearest 1000, ones, tens, 100, 1000. Look for the number on the right side, that is 1. 1 is less than 0, so no change will appear here and it will be 3. So it will be 482,73,000. Now question number 4. Question number 4 is round up the following to the nearest 10,000. And for this I am doing A and D part. Question number 4. A part is 681,709. You have to round up to nearest 10,000. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. So look for the number on the right, that is 1. 1 is less than 5, so it will be 0 and no change will be here. 680,000. D part 4279618. Here you have to round up again to nearest 10,000. Once, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Look for the number on right, that is 9. 9 is greater than 5, so we will add 1 to 7 and they will become 0. So it will be 4, 2, 8, 0, 0, 0, 0. Now question number 4 is done. Moving on to question number 5. Estimate the sum of the following numbers by rounding off to as specified. You have to round off, yani ki you have to add after rounding off the numbers. So here you have to round off to nearest 10 and then add nearest 100, 1000, 10,000, etc. So I am doing two parts, A and C. Here you have to round up to 10 and here you have to round up to 1000. The rest parts you have to do yourself in your rough notebook. So question number 5, A part. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 9 plus 4, 5, 6, 7, 3, 8. And here you have to round off to nearest 10. Once tens, and you know for this you have to write for the number on right. Again once tens, you have to look for the number on right. After rounding off to 10, what you get? It is greater than 5, so 1 will be added to it. 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 0. Add, it will be again 4, 5, 6, 7. It will be 4 because it is greater than 5, 0. Now you have to add both of them. Just add them. What you will get? You will get 6, 9, 1, 4, 2, 0. This is the answer which you are getting after addition. 6,91,420. This is the estimated sum. It is not the actual sum. Okay. Now the next is C part. 23008 733. You have to add 34267,890. Now this you have to round off to nearest 1000. So for 1000 you know how to round off. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. Look for the number on the right. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. Again on the right. Round off 7. It is greater than 5. 1 will be added here. 63009,000. Again 8 greater than 5. 1 will be added here. It will be 34268,000. Add them. What you will get? You will get 0, 0, 0, 7, 7, 2, 7 and 5. Now put the commas. This is your estimated sum. Okay. Now the next one is again estimation, but now this time it is for difference. For difference you have to again round up and then find the difference. Here I will be doing B and E part. Okay. Rest practice in your rough notebook. Now this is your question. You have to estimate it and you have to estimate it to nearest 100. So how will you get? Ones, tens, 100. For 100 you have to look on this number. Ones, tens, 100. Again on the right side this. Round off 5 and we know when it ever 5 is there, add 1. 9888,500. 3 less than 5. No change will occur here. 5664,000. Subtract them. After subtracting you are getting 4224,500. This is the estimated difference. Okay. Now next we are doing E part of it. Next we are doing E part of question number 6. What is E part? E part is again you have to round off 8668,997 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 to the nearest 10,000. This you have to round off nearest 10,000. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Look on the right. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Again on the right. 8 is greater than 5, so 1 will be added here. What it becomes? 8669,000. 8 is there, so 6 plus 1, 7 will be there. It will be 0 and it will be 7. Okay, 0 0 0, 8 will become 0, 6 plus 1 7, minus what it will be 4, 4 is less than 5, so no change will be here, but they will become 0. 1 2 3 0 0 0 0. Subtract them. After subtracting, you are getting 7 4 4 0. This is the answer after rounding off. Okay, so the next one is question number 7. Estimate the product. In this you have to estimate the product. I am doing B and D part. The rest of the question just practice yourself. Question number 7. So what it says that there are two numbers, and what are the numbers? They are B part 1022327 multiply 743, and you have to round off to nearest 100. After 100, 1 stands 100. Look over here. 1 stands 100. Look over here. After rounding off 2, 2 is less than 5, so no change will occur here. 102 300. 4, 4 is again less than 5, no change will appear. This. After multiplying, what you get? Multiply and get the answer. It is 7161000. This is your estimated product. Now after that, I am doing D part, that is 1282166 multiply 51, and you have to round off to nearest 10. After 10, 1 tens. According to question, you have to round off this to nearest 10. 1 tens. So look for the number on right. 1 tens again here. After rounding off, 6 is greater than 5, so 1 will be added here. What it becomes? 182,170, and 1 is less than 5, so no change will appear here. It is 50. Multiply them. After multiplying, you are getting 64, 108, 500. Okay, just verify your answer. Now last question of the exercise is question number 8. Here you have to estimate the quotient, means you have to divide again like we are doing in the previous questions. A and C part I am going to do, rest of the question practice in your rough notebook. So A part is you have to round off 231,546 divided by 45 to the nearest 10. You have to round off to nearest 10. 1 tens, you have to look on the right. 1 tens again on the right. 6 is greater than 5, so 1 will be added over here. 231,550. Now again divide. 5 is, we know whenever 5 is there, we have to add 1, so it will become 5 and it is 0. Just divide them like you divide 231,550 upon 50. 0 0 cancels. Dividing by 5, what you get? You will get 4631, and this is your desired answer. Now moving on to the last part, that is C. 6521547 divided by 450 to the nearest 100. 100, 1 stands 100. You have to look this. 1 stands 100. You have to look for this one. 4 is less than 5, so no change will appear here. 65210,500 divided by again 5. We have to add 1. 500. Just divide 6521500 upon 500. 0 0 cancels. Divide and get the answer, that is 13043. Okay, so this is your answer.